Hi Bagas. So we are back, and did you just show me that the weather here, the temperature, what it is? Because you have to see to believe it. Again, I'm seeing you to see here. So see this. It's 1 degrees Bagas, and the air quality is 76. See here.
It was 67 in the afternoon.
67 it was in the afternoon. Here it is. So it is, what's the time?
It's 6:20 p.m.
6:20 it is, and as it's turned dark, so the dark beer comes out.
ना ऐसा गलत काम ना करना जी.
So we are going to start our evening with a little buzz, which is, oh yeah,
Lot of buzz.
oh
And you gotta
shit.
drink it up.
Oh god,
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया मुन्ना.
I think because of the pressure, na.
Yeah.
Oh shit, you'll have to tell them give a kapra.
Done. You get it done.
See this. Shit, half the beers got spoiled, which it should not have. I should have been more careful actually. But this come on the screen also. Oh shit, full spin.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Get it, don't do it.
It's too much. So this is a beer. Dino is here. Dino will also try and come in the. So, oh, be careful of yours.
Yeah.
But you are to the crew, you'll know best.
No, but this is. Have to wait for some time.
I had to open it slowly, but in excitement, रुका नहीं गया.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
क्या करें साला, आदत से मजबूर. थोड़ा सा मिल गया है, इसमें पावर डालूं. Just see the color.
Oh my
Just
god.
see the
Oh my
color.
god.
Bloody Coke with frost, like that McFloat of these. Oh yeah, he started. So I'll take the last from this. Cheers for the great start of Saturday. Today is Saturday, है ना?
Saturday dinner.
Yeah.
Saturday night.
Saturday night. Starts in the evening. So it starts from here. We went that side, but it was all ऐसे ही सही था. That's why I took some time lapse and all, where we were sitting and having tea. Bus, and we came away. Then I showed Dino the new one way from Nehru-Kund side to come to
very nice
Old
ride.
Manali.
Very
And
nice
first time you've seen it.
Yeah, first time ever.
And this I saw it when there was a lot of chaos 2 years ago. Then I had learnt up that route. So he really enjoyed it. So cheers.
शुरू करें.
शुरू करें यार. I like the ball. Can you hear the ball?
After so many years.
Huh?
Thanks.
Oh yeah. No, anytime, yeah.
Crazy.
Not anytime. Any special occasion time. And yeah, one more. There is something very nice he told me, which only I know. And even that happiness is there with all this. So we're going to have 2 beers here. And then we're going to go to one special cafe. I'll show you when I'm going. We're going walking from here. We are halfway in Old Manali. From here it's still right up, right top. Tell me if anybody knows what I'm talking about. So let's enjoy our part here, and so see you in a while, buggers. Woo! So this was our old hotel where we were staying. We had to come from down there all the way down from that side. The light is on the balcony. Good. And there one sad soul is singing his heart out.
Since
Last 2 days. So this is the starting, like, for us of Old Manali, and we are heading towards our cafe. I'll show you all right in the end where we are heading. See, these are some shops. See, some clothes, posters. Again clouds. People are chilling out at the small cafe. This is Halika. I showed you last night. See, all stays are there. They're all stays. Stays and restaurants. So, just now, there's less tourists here. This side there's always less tourists. See? अच्छा जी ये भी खुल गया. अब it's closed यार. This I had to get done यार. So last time when we came back from Leh, came to this Himalayan kitchen. This is the vibes here. But we are going somewhere else. Oh, nice thing. Vegetables. This also I showed you last time. So we are heading ahead. Now I want to show you everything all over again. I'll show you once we reach closer. Okay. See you in a while now.
1 hour later.
See where we have finally reached. Rocky's Cafe. Oh, let's go. Have to sit on top. You can go upstairs. All is empty here. You have to sit down here. We all are sitting. And this Bagaj will one sit. That's the view. There's a mahal either abhi. Actually we're trying to go outside there. As he'll get empty there, then we'll shift off that side. So I'm just waiting when we can shift that side. By the time we'll order something and I'll show you what we are ordering. So beer का scene start हो गया अपना. इधर मैग्ना भी मिल रहा है. No light ना. No light beer. Only harsh one.
Only Magnum and Tuborg Strong.
Magnum and Tuborg Strong. हाँ यही दो options दिए ना. And he's having Old Monk. And the price is also very nice. $200 for 60 ml. So this is the place. See. This is the place. And अंदर लाइट चल रहा है. कपल अंदर भी सीटिंग है. Which I showed you this. बाकी अपन लोग इधर बैठे with this view यार. Just see. ये है अपना व्यू इधर से. क्या बोलती है पब्लिक? मजा आ रहा है. चलो अभी क्या करें अब ऐसे. जरा हम भी बियर पोर करें, बडवाइजर को प्रमोट कर रहे हैं। चल अपना ग्लास डाले, चीयर्स।
Cheers. Nice, nice.
Crispy.
Lovely. Earlier it was bull.
Yeah. First it was rubbish. They've worked on it.
Yeah.
But very nice. They've also ordered chicken schnitzel.
Schnitzel.
Schnitzel. Chicken schnitzel. He's saying it's German type.
Israeli.
Israeli.
Oh, sorry, Schnitzel is German. Yeah.
Schnitzel is German. And it's like fish and chips का fried वाला version है, ये chicken वाला version है. With chips and all. Let's see what we'll get. So when it comes in, I'll show you what the grub is like. Little grubby now because we only had breakfast what I showed you, and now we're going to eat something at 8:52. So let's wait for the food. Till that time, I'll enjoy what we are doing. Okay? Cheers. ये देखो इसके साथ क्या खाना आ रहा है। दिस इज वॉट वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट यार। लवली लवली lovely. Just look at this mahal also. There's a dog here, huge bugger, he's huge. And then this is the view all over. मजा आ रहा है। माहौल तो सही बना हुआ है। अब तो पेट पूजा भी हो जाएगा। So let us eat and finish this in a cracker. See you in a while, buggers. Woo! Very nice. He was singing, yaar. You know, it was on time lapse. Actually, I should have done. Normally,
But I recorded.
You recorded then. I'll put that song with the time lapse. Nice. I bought that and a GoPro. These are good enough. Because
It's not. एक cheers कर ले यार Instagram पे ले, एक cheers हो जाए और Instagram cheers बगस।
Oh, so we are heading towards our hotel. This is Old Manali in the night. You know time क्या हो रहा है?
We just crossed
Manu Temple. What is the time?
Time ये हो रहा है 11:05.
11:05 हो रहा है.
23:05.
हाँ 23:05. See, everything is shut. Only this bucket is open. जाने की पता नहीं कैसे. अभी देख एक मिनट. ये देखना पूरा सन्नाटा वाला. And we are heading to our hotel because we had pre-ordered our dinner.
Yep.
And अभी इधर जो खाया पिया इधर था 25-28
Schnitzel.
2580.
अच्छा खाया हमने है ना.
बहुत अच्छा.
पिया भी सही है ना.
हाँ very nice pricing ना. $500 for the
I'm happy I'm
beer each and schnitzel था और 380 का. एंड अब इसके 60 ml के जो मिलता नहीं है मोटे 60 ml के. आई थिंक दे गिव यू एक्स्ट्रा बिकॉज़ यू आर टॉकिंग टू देम इन नेपाली ना. आई थिंक दे गिव यू लिटिल एक्स्ट्रा 20 ml एक्स्ट्रा.
Looks like because they were very.
भाई बहुत मोटे पैक थे. ये अब जा रहे हैं रॉकीज और कहीं अब आखिरी में रॉकीज कपल्स. तो सीन यही था. रॉकीज अल्टीमेट था आज. बहुत ही अल्टीमेट. आई विल बी पुटिंग सो मेनी शॉट्स एंड डोंट नो व्हाट ऑल इज
We
देयर.
got some stuff also.
ओ यार मेरे को दिख नहीं रहा. साले ये पत्थर दिख रहे.
I'm watching.
सो यार इस पे ना लाइट मार दी नो. मेरे को नीचे दिख नहीं रहा. मैं व्लॉग कर रहा हूँ ना. साला पैर ना मुड़ जाए बस. तो एनीवेज हम वापस जा रहे हैं. लॉर्ड ऑल्टो आ रहा है पीछे से. या बहुत मज़े किए हैं. मज़ा ही मज़ा आ गया. अब खाना भी देखते हैं सपेटेंगे क्या. बोल्ट है बोल्ट मेरा. तो अपन जा रहे हैं खाना नहीं खाएंगे. ही सेइंग दैट
ऊपर वाले रूम में बैठते हैं.
हाँ ही सेइंग ही विल गेट इट पैक्ड इन द क्या कह रहे थे स्टील कंटेनर्स फॉर द ग्रेवी. वी हैव ऑर्डर्ड चिकन करी. नेपाली चिकन करी एंड
Steam rice.
रोटी. हाँ
5
and 5 rotis. 3 left, 2 I left.
चपाती.
And yeah, so let's see. We might go to another place. We were planning to. My friend Rohit, who's local here, he told me to go to Irish, and that's at Bainins, a family friend. I go later. I recall it's our family friend's hotel. So there we might go. If we go, I'll show you. Otherwise, we'll be relaxing at our hotel only. So let's see. Whatever is there, I'll show you ahead. Okay. So see you in a while. Boom. This cake we are seeing is the
Rich plum cake. Yes.
We have cheesecakes type at this Biscoff.
Is it open?
What's the time? I think.
No, that Biscoff is.
Yeah, we tried.
And there are. A few
Yeah, you know, we
places
tried the
over there.
Biscoff. The mango
had the
one was
brown
very
also.
nice. Mango one was very nice. Blueberry was not up to the mark.
No, both were not nice.
Yeah, mango
They were
one
like-
was nice.
They were.
I like the
they
mango
were
one.
Also, so you know the size rings because obviously.
I want to try that from down that tiramisu. Remember yesterday we saw you said he's closing. He'll be
Yeah,
open?
Little Sisters is open.
Little sisters, little sisters.
They
वही तो
have
देख रहे थे हम.
nice,
Yeah, this is
tiramisu
same.
and cheesecake.
चलो, thank you so much. Thank. It's the same all three.
They are
Like-
relatives.
So this and that.
No,
Oh,
no, no. This
okay.
is separate, but
This is your own?
Biscoff and Little Sister.
Okay, this is your own. Okay. Thank you so much.
But can I get
Cookies?
coconut macarons
Ah.
and hot chocolate cookie?
Where's the hot chocolate?
Can
Ah.
we have so one
Ah, one.
Tomorrow.
No, one. I'm
hot
going to try
chocolate
this.
cookie and coconut macaron?
Coconut
Do you have
four.
those burnt coconut cookies? You know what I'm talking about? Good. Okay. So yeah, two of these.
So, yeah, take away 2 of these and 1 of the hot chocolate.
Do you want
Two
donut?
of these.
No, 2 of these
Okay.
and 1 of this.
You want donut?
No. I'm going to try that tiramisu if I can manage to get that.
This plum cake is alcohol.
See the doggies.
No, not this one. I'll be getting those tomorrow.
This is the yellow teapot.
Andrew,
You can try it tomorrow.
Ma'am, what's your good name?
Because right now I'm
What's your good name?
Garima.
Garima. Achha, this is Garima's. Yeah. No, yaar.
you're saying Irish
no
coffee?
Irish coffee. Right now.
No, not right now. Tomorrow you're gonna get it.
Jamaican hot chocolate.
Yeah, it has a white rum.
White rum.
Malibu.
Malibu. Irish coffee also is there. We should try it.
Okay.
We are staying at Manu till 22nd, na? 22nd we are leaving back for Chandigarh.
These magnets are for sale.
These are little bit of the items that are available here.
I've made them. I'm an artist, so
Wow.
these are the one. These
And how are
these are the little
are
diamonds.
these marble or
No. I painted them and then coated them with epoxy.
what is the material?
Epoxy resin.
Okay, so unbreakable. Kids won't break them.
No, not at all.
How much are they? The available ones?
They start from 400.
Okay.
But these are, if you want, you can keep in touch and I can send them to you. I deliver pan India.
You have a
But
page?
these are not the nice ones.
You have a page?
Himalayan Canvas. That's on Instagram.
Okay, Himalayan
You can
canvas.
find me there.
Yeah, we will do. How much for this? How much is it?
100.
100. Okay.
One eternity later.
नहीं नीचे रख उल्टा रख इधर देख आ गया खाना
Bye, Bikram. Hi, Excel.
मैं ना दोस्तों
अरे बेटे तुझे थकान नहीं लग रही क्या?
Is this light helping?
Let's do some cheers, man. Another cheers. Yeah. Nice. So, it is. What the hell is the time?
I'll tell you. 11:30.
11:56. Our dinner has just arrived. Huh?
I'm super wrong.
So our dinner has just arrived. That's our room at the back. If you see on top, no, cut all that. I will show you the room tomorrow. Okay, aram se in the daytime because I didn't get a chance. We were already late checking out from there and coming here and all that. So we didn't have time to show the room and all. We quickly put our stuff, went down, then we had to eat, give order and all that. Atram. So, anyways, we ordered Nepali chicken. Nepali
Chicken curry.
chicken curry. Nepali chicken curry, rice and 5 rotis. As I told you before.
So you
Yes,
got
I
me,
just
two
recalled.
for Andrew.
है ना? I just recalled. 2.2. So yeah, so this is just the ending of our day. I hope you all enjoyed this with us. We enjoyed a lot. Gino is having which one is this?
Gatia.
Acha Gatia, Haldiram's. We got Kurkure also and Bingo also. Bingo Mad. This is one of my favorite Bingo Mad angles. So, anyways, just to wrap it off for today, I put the music paused. I've just paused it, and we had an awesome day today. Awesome. We were discussing about our own life and all. We just kept everything aside and talking about life and good things, all positive things, because we were feeling positive. because the माहौल only was such, है ना? बहुत सही माहौल था उधर. So just to end this day, we are relaxing. I'm having one last drink to end this day.
बस हवा निकल गई.
With this bugger. Anyways, let's see. That's what I'm predicting. But another half an hour, 45 minutes. Hopefully. Yeah, so anyways, I'm just ending off for today. I hope you like this one and support this brother. Please do the ritual. Subscribe, like and all that nonsense. Share and whatever. Yeah. So y'all know that. Do that if y'all can. Hope you like this one and see you tomorrow with a new one. And tomorrow for sure we are going on a bike ride much ahead of Solang. So stay tuned for tomorrow. Tomorrow is our last day and we might go to a new place which I've also not been to. I've been recommended. So hope you like this one and see you in the next one tomorrow. Cheers, Dino.
Cheers, guys.
Yeah, bagas. Wow. Woo.